Guys, let's do some magic with Brazilian wool today, and I know you're going to like it. Hi, to Jasmine Royal. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. This is where we slay on a budget. I'm going to use 2 Brazilian wool for this particular hair. After rolling it, I'm going to cut it. Depends on the length you want, okay? So you can cut it as desired. So after that, I'm going to make sure to comb it through. So when you're rolling it, the curls can come out well. So that we're making use of this smaller crochet pin because of the net. It's smaller, so you wouldn't want your wig cap to tear when you are crocheting. Voila, this is the hair. It's ready for rolling. Just make sure you comb through and make sure there are no strands hanging around. So guys, it's time to roll. I'm going to use my rollers. I'm going to use this for this hair. This is the clip. You use this to clip it. But if you notice that it is not tight, you can use your rubber band, okay? So after that, you keep on rolling till you get to the end of the hair. I started to roll with this flexi rod and see the difference and see if there is a difference. Let me know if you see any difference from this. For those who do not have this flexi rod or the rollers I used initially, you can use any of these ones. So that's why I added this. Like, you can make use of this flexi rod, you can make use of the rollers, okay? So after rolling it like this is how it turned out. I'd already boiled my water. This is my hair conditioner. So make sure your water is boiled, like it's very hot. You're going to add the conditioner and then add water. Stir with your comb first before adding the wig. Make sure the water is reaching everywhere, and then I'll go ahead and add more hot water onto it so it can cover up all the places. So this is the hair, and after doing this, please make sure you're not in a hurry for this, because this is Brazilian wool. For the curls to come out well, you need to leave it for some days. Alright, it depends on the weather where you are. Please do not use hand dryer, allow it to air dry, okay? And then after that, 2 to 3 days, you can unravel. Make sure it's properly dried before unraveling. After unraveling it, this is how it looks like. You can decide to leave yours like this. So you can use your hand to just separate the curls if you don't want to comb it out. It depends on what you want. But for me, I'm going to use my comb to comb out all the curls. I want it to look full. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score. So this is how it is. Wow, see the hair. This is just Brazilian wool. So guys, make sure to like this video, share, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye.